I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content like you're about to witness today. We're going to be taking a look at the Neve 542. That is the Rupert Neve Designs 542. And as you can see right here, just want to walk you through the unit, and I want to also show you how I use it to basically use this to boost the low end in this EDM track I have pulled up versus using the EQ. So let's go ahead and go over what each of the functions do before we get into the track. So starting with the top, we have the trim knob. It goes from -12 all the way to +12. And then we have directly below that is the tape in effect. So if we press that in, we can see that it has the green light here, which indicate it is in. And then we have the saturation knob right here. It goes from the min all the way to the max. Then directly below that, we have the IPS switch. So that is right now, if we press it, it is currently out. So that means it's 15 IPS. If we press it, it is in. That means that it is going at 30 IPS. Directly below that, we have the blend knob. So we have from 0% all the way to 100%. I typically like to keep this at 50%. I like to keep the saturation down as well. Depending on, I guess it depends on the source that you're working with. So for right now, I'm gonna have this all the way down. And then the trim knob, I use this to control how much of the saturation I want. So I just kind of play with these two knobs until I get the desired sound. And then back to down here where I have the blend knob. Then below that, we have the silk red. So if we press that one time, we have the silk red. And what the silk red does, it basically gives it a bump in the mid range. And then if we hit it again, we have the silk blue. And anytime we hit the silk blue, that's going to give you a bump in that the lower end. So that's what I'm going to be kind of using today to kind of boost that low end. And then we can dial in the texture switch down below. We have the minimum and then we have the maximum. So these are of course independent of each other, but I'm kind of having them work together. So let's go ahead and play the track and see what I have so far. Right now, we're going to turn this all the way down. We're going to unstuntiate that there. And we're going to turn this down. So I just want you to kind of listen to as I adjust the settings of the 542. And we're going to play it right now. So that is pretty much the demo of the 542 when working with a track like this for EDM. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status. Again, like, share, comment. We will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.